We use them every day. Simple tools, tools that have become so ingrained in our daily lives that we often overlook their significance. Eating utensils, spoons, they come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose. From the delicate teaspoons used for stirring our morning coffee to the larger serving spoons that grace our dinner tables during family gatherings. But what if these unassuming objects hold secrets? Secrets that have been passed down through generations, hidden in plain sight. What if they are more than just tools for soup? What if they have stories to tell, histories to reveal, and mysteries to uncover? Some say spoons could be ancient messengers, whispering hidden truths across time and space. Could this be true? Could these everyday objects be more than they seem? Is it possible that we have misunderstood the humble spoon for millennia? Have we overlooked its true significance in our rush to modernize and simplify our lives? The idea might sound strange at first, but stay with me. Let's delve into the history and symbolism of the spoon. The history of spoons is long and mysterious. From ancient civilizations to modern times, spoons have been a part of human culture. They have been crafted from various materials, including wood, bone, metal, and even precious stones. And some believe their true purpose goes far beyond the dinner table. Could they have been used in rituals, ceremonies, or even as tools for communication? Let's dig deeper, explore the evidence, and ask the question, could spoons be hiding something extraordinary? Could they be the key to unlocking secrets of our past, present, and future? Join me on this journey as we uncover the hidden world of the humble spoon. We will examine historical records, speak with experts, and explore the cultural significance of spoons across different societies. Together, we will uncover the layers of meaning that have been attached to these simple tools over the centuries. So the next time you pick up a spoon, remember that it might be more than just a utensil. It could be a link to our shared human history, a symbol of our ingenuity, and a testament to the mysteries that still await discovery. The hidden messages theory suggests that ancient cultures embedded secret knowledge in everyday objects like spoons. Think about it. No smartphones back then, no internet. How did people share complex ideas and information? Some believe they used symbols, patterns, and even everyday objects like spoons. This theory argues that spoons, with their unique shapes and potential for decoration, were ideal for carrying hidden messages. Imagine a simple design passed down through generations, carrying a secret meaning only a select few could decipher. This is the essence of the hidden messages theory, a fascinating concept. Let's travel back in time to an era where the everyday objects we take for granted held deeper meanings and stories. Ancient civilizations from Egypt to China used spoons not just as utensils, but as vessels of culture and tradition. But these weren't just simple tools. They were canvases telling tales of their times. Many were adorned with intricate carvings, strange symbols, and even depictions of gods and goddesses. Coincidence, or something more? These designs were not random, they were deliberate, each stroke of the carving tool imbued with purpose and meaning. Take, for example, the ancient Egyptian meret spoons. These artifacts are more than just relics, they are windows into the spiritual and daily lives of the people who used them. These spoons often featured handles shaped like animals or deities, each carrying specific symbolic meaning. The choice of animal or deity was not arbitrary. It reflected the beliefs, values, and even the hopes of the person who owned it. Were these just decorative flourishes, or did they serve a higher purpose? The intricate designs could be seen as a form of communication, a way to pass down stories, beliefs, and knowledge through generations. Or could they have been a way to encode religious beliefs, historical events, or even astronomical knowledge? Scholars have long debated the true purpose of these symbols, and new discoveries continue to shed light on their significance. The hidden messages theory suggests the latter. According to this theory, the symbols on these spoons were a sophisticated form of communication, encoding complex ideas and knowledge. This theory posits that the spoons were not just functional objects, but also tools for preserving and transmitting cultural heritage. Modern technology has allowed researchers to analyze these symbols in ways that were previously impossible. High-resolution imaging and digital reconstruction have revealed details that were hidden to the naked eye, offering new insights into the minds of ancient artisans. Museums around the world now showcase these ancient spoons not just as artifacts but as pieces of a larger puzzle. Each spoon tells a story, and together they offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of human history. Historians and archaeologists continue to study these spoons, piecing together the stories they tell. Every new discovery adds a new chapter to our understanding of the past. Even in classrooms, these spoons serve as educational tools, helping students connect with ancient civilizations in a tangible way. They are more than just objects, they are bridges to the past. Today, artisans and craftsmen draw inspiration from these ancient designs, recreating them with modern techniques. This fusion of old and new keeps the legacy of these ancient spoons alive. So the next time you pick up a spoon, take a moment to think about its history. It may seem like a simple tool, but it carries with it a legacy of human ingenuity, culture, and tradition. When spoons spoke in symbols, they told stories that transcended time. And even today, if we listen closely, we can still hear their whispers. Now, let's get even more speculative. Imagine a world where everyday objects hold secrets beyond our wildest dreams. Some theorists, myself included, believe that extraterrestrial beings have visited Earth throughout history. These visits, shrouded in mystery, have left behind traces that we might not immediately recognize. Could these ancient visitors have left their mark on our planet in subtle, unexpected ways? The idea might seem far-fetched, but consider the possibility that they used objects familiar to us to communicate their presence. Could spoons be one such example? Think about it. Spoons have been a part of human civilization for thousands of years, evolving in design and function. But what if their true purpose goes beyond mere utility? The spoon's shape itself is surprisingly aerodynamic. This might seem trivial, but in the context of ancient technology, it could be significant. Aerodynamics is a principle that advanced civilizations would understand and possibly utilize. Could it be that ancient aliens, seeking to communicate across vast distances, use spoons as a kind of cosmic calling card? The idea is intriguing. Spoons, with their simple yet elegant design, could serve as a medium for messages that transcend time and space. Perhaps the designs on ancient spoons are not just decorative, but messages waiting to be deciphered. These intricate patterns could hold information about the origins of these visitors, their technology, or even their intentions. It's a theory that deserves further investigation. Imagine the possibilities if we could unlock the secrets hidden within these everyday objects. What stories could they tell? What knowledge could they impart? The quest to understand our past and the potential influence of extraterrestrial beings is a journey that continues to captivate the human imagination. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our history, we must remain open to unconventional ideas. The notion that spoons could be alien signals challenges our perceptions and encourages us to look beyond the obvious. Scholars and researchers from various fields are beginning to explore these unconventional theories. By examining artifacts with a fresh perspective, we might uncover connections that were previously overlooked. Advanced technology allows us to analyze these objects in ways that were not possible before. High-resolution imaging, spectral analysis, and other techniques can reveal details that the naked eye might miss. Digital reconstruction of ancient spoon designs can help us understand the context in which these objects were created. By piecing together the past, we can form a clearer picture of the potential interactions between humans and extraterrestrial visitors. So the next time you hold a spoon, take a moment to consider its history. Could it be more than just a utensil? Could it be a link to a distant past? A message from another world waiting to be discovered? Spoons from different cultures and eras show a remarkable diversity in design. This diversity could be a testament to the widespread influence of these potential extraterrestrial visitors. As researchers continue to investigate, we may find that the answers lie not in grand monuments or complex machinery, but in the simple everyday objects that have been with us all along. The humble spoon, a common item in our daily lives, might just hold the key to unlocking one of the greatest mysteries of all time. Could spoons be alien signals? The answer is out there, waiting to be discovered.